Rapid repair for a hole in your roof. This roof damage is a result of a storm with a tree limb has punctured right through this metal roof. We are going to do a rapid repair. The hole in the roof is about the size of a quarter. I simply cut out a piece of scrap sheet metal. This was taken from a heating duct fitting that I was never going to use. So I just took some tin snips and just cut this to size. Went about 3 times the diameter of the hole, and we just did double-sided tape on the backside just to hold it and prevent it from sliding down while we are getting the next step ready to go. Okay, next I'm just going to mask off the area. This is just ordinary everyday masking tape about 2-inch width, and we're going to create a picture frame around the metal patch. I'm leaving about a 1-inch gap on purpose because I do want the sealant to contact the roof and fill all that area in. So about a 1-inch border, and just create a picture frame and mask off the area. I'm also doing a second row of masking, so protect against so much overspray. And this is the Miracle Flex Seal. Yes, you've heard it, liquid rubber in a can. It instantly stops leaks. It works very well. I've seen it work before. It coats, seals, protects, stops leaks instantly. It is manufactured in America with internationally sourced materials. It is rated as a flexible coating. It will dry in just a few hours with full cure time in 24 hours. It comes in 3 colors, black, clear, and white. This is a portion of the roof where nobody will really see it, so I didn't care on the color. This happens to be the black. Yes, Flex Seal is the product that some people make fun of, but I guarantee you it is rubber in a can and it does work. As I'm spraying it on here, you can literally see the product sort of bubble up and fill all the voids and gaps. I'm particularly being careful to go around the patch material to seal all the edges up so it's completely waterproof. Also, because the product does stay flexible, it will handle direct sunlight with expansion and contraction with your different temperature changes and seasonal changes. Now, while the product is still wet, I'm going to go ahead and pull the masking tape off. I fear if we wait till the rubber hardens or cures that I won't be able to pull off this tape for nothing. And again, I didn't care about the color match at all. Later, we may reseal this metal roof completely to blend it all in, and it's starting to rust in some spots, so it's probably due for that. But this is an effective, instant, rapid repair. This is something you can do yourself. Just be very careful to be on your roof. Ladder safety is very important. It's the #1 injury for homeowners do-it-yourself projects is ladders and roofs, so be very careful if you're working up in heights. Maybe have somebody help you if you need it, but this is absolutely a patch you can do yourself, a rapid roof repair. We'll see you next week.